Alright, so we're going to be trying a little twist on Twister here. So my off-camera assistant is going to be marking the spaces that I use on this board here with tape. So that way I can't use one space multiple times. We'll think it'll make it harder because I'm the only one on the board. And that'll mean I have to move around a lot more. So yeah, this is Twister.
You ready, Meatballs?
This is Twister. This is hard mode.
Twister with the twist.
This is gonna be really.
First one. Left hand blue.
Okay. I'm gonna start at the front here.
Alright. Left hand yellow. So we're already putting down a tape mark there. And you gotta be strategic with this too and figure out which ones are best. Right foot yellow. Alright. Right hand blue. Yeah, that was in the middle, so I probably should have.
Yeah, just spin it again if it lands in the middle.
Left foot red.
Left foot red, okay.
Alright. I don't think your left foot was on anything, if I remember.
No, it wasn't.
Right hand red. So now I gotta mark that. Right foot blue. Mark that. Are you feeling the burn, people?
A little bit.
This left hand yellow. It's already on it.
Again.
So I'm gonna make you do left hand green.
Okay.
Is it easier with those pants?
A little bit, yeah.
Left hand green, it's already on it. So I'm gonna make you do left hand red.
I'm pretty much just gonna work my way to the back of the board.
Left foot green. There. I may miss some along the way, but it might not be perfect. Right foot
you have
yellow.
to be the judge.
I'm down the board now. Keep going. We got right hand blue.
I'm gonna go across there, which is nice.
I'm gonna do left foot blue.
Oh, no. Blue? Oh boy. Oh.
He's gonna move all the way over there. Woo! See, now we're getting things going. Right foot blue.
Okay. Oh no. We're twisting.
Right foot red.
Okay, I just gotta. Oh no. Oh, I should have untwisted myself when I had the chance. I need to move my left foot.
Put that there.
And can I adjust it all or no?
Right hand yellow.
You can't lift a finger.
It's like chess. Right hand blue. Oh, you can't do that. So we're gonna do right hand green.
So we'll just do this. And then we're gonna. Oh boy, this is a reach.
And it's on this yellow? Oh no, it is on this. So blue is gone. Right foot green.
How? How?
You got this, Meatball. Just take it slow, think it through.
Oh my god.
Oh god. Go the other. In between.
Come on, people, you got this.
You got this. You got this.
Wait, you actually got it. You actually got it.
Keep going. Go a little more. You're good. You're good.
All right, I'm gonna mark this red spot.
Extra slow.
And then we're gonna. All right, I'm gonna spin.
Okay.
We got right foot red. You gotta go back.
What? Wait, what was my left foot on? Red?
No, your right foot red.
right
the
foot
one
red.
you just moved.
Move back.
Just move it back to red.
Left of your left hand. There
Yeah,
we
but
go.
what was my left foot on? Blue?
Yeah.
Yes, that blue spot there.
Yeah, this one.
Alright. That's in the
Spin, just spin it
middle.
again.
Alright.
Just spin it again.
Yes, sir, people. Left hand red. It's already on it, so we're gonna go left hand yellow.
I think my strategy is working so far.
What was your strategy?
Just move from the front of the board to the back.
Right foot green. So what it was before.
Alright, I gotta be careful about this one. Because I don't want to overcross. Or overreach.
Left foot red.
Okay.
There's only one spot I can go.
Yeah, and it's actually the prime spot too. Alright, so blue is officially gone. Can't use blue. Left hand yellow. It's already on it. So we're gonna go left hand on green. Left foot red. But you can't do that.
Yeah, there's only a couple yellows left.
Yeah, so we're gonna go right hand yellow. Just throw it out there. Right foot red, can't do that. So I guess you're gonna go to right foot yellow. Actually, I think there's one more spot that people can go. I don't
wonder
know.
what the world's longest game
That's
of
all the
Twister
spots.
was.
That's it. You won.
Yeah, you beat it, Meeple.
I won?
Jeez,
You won.
Meeple's just Meeple. You're just too good at Twister, I guess.
Yeah.
Woo! Jeez, Meeple.
Yeah.
That's where you landed. that was the configuration.
That's where we landed.
Impressive.
Alright, do like a wrap up video.
Yeah,
Sit in the
okay.
corner.
Okay. Woo. All right, yeah, that was a lot more challenging than when we started, just because I couldn't reuse spaces. And yeah, I definitely had the perfect strategy of starting in the front row and then moving back, step by step. Yeah, it gets you into really uncomfortable positions where you're like putting your weight on your hands or putting your weight all on one foot. And just being careful and if you crisscross too much, that'll ruin it. So if you want to try something like this at home, yeah, the Twister game is really easy to find online or in stores. So yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.